Python has projects, so does PyCharm. Let's create a project from the welcome screen. PyCharm has good support for virtual environments. Accept the defaults, click Create, and now you have an empty Python project. Making a proper Python package means creating a setup.py at the project root. Call the setup function, which we import from setup tools, with arguments for the name of the project, any extras that might be installed, for example, tests, then 2 arguments that let us follow good Pytest practices by storing the source code in a directory named differently than our package. These last 2 arguments are a bit obscure, but as the docs indicate, it is strongly suggested. Make the directory and a first file for our source, naming it source-laxleague-player.py. The file will, for now, just have an empty class. Open the terminal and run Python's pip with -e dot used to make a Python editable install. The brackets with tests tell pip to install the dependencies from the extras required that we had above. The editable install works as the egginfo directory proves. We now have a project with a virtual environment, with Pytest installed, and source files in an editable install. Now go to the settings under Python Integrated Tools and tell PyCharm to use Pytest as the default test runner. You can also visit New Project Settings to make this the default for all projects. Pytest recommends a tests directory outside of our sources. Make a new directory named tests at the project root.